Shut down proper. You are connected. Download. Reset. Interesting. Okay, so let's try doing this under power. This out of my way. Should be able to grab. I just need to make sure I grab the right side of my PCB. Yeah. Otherwise, hello. Should be from today at now. Yes, perfect. Okay. We have a new firmware version to give a shot. That hopefully, I don't even know what scene I've got up right now. There we go. Focus dish. Garrett, do you indeed be a big fan of the rain? That West Coast mentality. If you don't, you start deluding yourself that you like the rain because you're forced to deal with it 8 months of the year. What do I change to make this work? Mostly I'm trying to find somebody who's done RGB and to find it inside of this. That should cause the USB to disconnect and reconnect, but it didn't. Okay. So the USB device not recognized. It is recognizing it as a valid USB. Never-ending question, no kidding, right? Oh. USB device not recognized. That is a very big change. To be connection now, which is good. That is appropriate and excellent. Now I'm just trying to figure out what next. I'm just opening random keyboard.json files now to see if other people have done things that I can steal. Okay. Connect. Lovely. Pad v1 bin default. Yep. Download. Ooh, that's an interesting adjustment. Okay, let's try adding that. I don't see it. Is gonna let so you're welcome to be outside. Carrot can confirm Carrot does love the rain. Oh, hey, Tobes. Hi, bud. N key rollover. Term that applies to keyboards that are capable of reporting any number of key presses at once. I mean, that's technically. Oh my god, never. This camera didn't work last time. That one did. I have no idea what happened. Yeah. Anyways, Rain, Carrot, Nick, great to see you all. Hope you're doing well. I think if I go on the left side of R7, I've got my 3 volts there. Left side of R7 is ground. I can go with the long tab on my regulator though. File download complete. Lovely. Okay, so if I did things correctly, I'm really hoping that when I plug this in, I hear something. Still nothing. That right there is a valid spot for me to solder to. Good thing we were already doing a PCB revision, eh? Alright, so there's one thing I was missing from my piece of my USB. I have an idea for dinner. Clean line. Because it's all direct read and I don't have... I've got an idea for dinner, Carrot. Okay. Good to know about that pull-up resistor, though, because that didn't, Jeez. Still no USB recognition, eh? Well.